So this is a saying that there are many fires raging around the world today: political turmoil, bloodshed, public health emergencies, and human rights. But there also burns a flame of hope, encouraging progress in the global drive to improve the lives of the world's poorest through Millennium Development Goals. For all those who are participating in the quiz, this is a very important question. There may be a question on Millennium Development Goals and SDGs. No talking there. If you don't want to attend the class, you can leave the class. The Millennium Development Goals are 8 goals. There were 8 goals to be achieved by the year 2015, and these were divided. All the targets were also maintained. Goals are a broad term. Goals हम बहुत बड़ा एक term use करते हैं. Then they are divided into targets and indicators. How will we assess that we have achieved that target or that goal? Is by the help of the indicator. What is an indicator? It is a variable that is used to measure the change. Like we have a goal to reduce maternal mortality, but how will we measure that maternal mortality? So the indicator is maternal mortality ratio. Maternal mortality ratio is number of deaths of pregnant females during pregnancy or within 42 days of delivery divided by the total number of women in the reproductive age. So these are the indicators. So MDGs are drawn from the actions and targets contained in the Millennium Declaration that was adopted by 189 nations, signed by the 147 heads during the UN Millennium Summit of September 2000. United Nations की कितनी countries है part? How many countries are part of the United Nations? 193. The MDG synthesized a single package, important commitments made separately at the international conferences and summit in 1990. So there were a series of summits and conferences that were happening in 1990s, and all that was decided जो इतने सारे meetings और उसमें हमने decide किया, तो a single package and an important commitment was made in 2000, September 2000. So the 8 MDGs were broken down into 18 time-bound targets and 48 indicators. So how many targets are there in MDG? 18 targets and 48 indicators. और goals कितने हैं? 8. So India के अंदर what was the problem? Because we had non-availability of a reliable data, and also some of the indicators and targets were not suited in the Indian context. So हमने कितने targets किए? 12 out of the 18 targets and 35 out of the 48 indicators. So the first goal of the Millennium Development Goal that was to be achieved by 2015 was to eradicate poverty and hunger, achieve universal primary education, promote gender equality and empower women. 4th was reduce child mortality. 5th was to improve maternal health. 6th was to combat HIV and AIDS, malaria and other diseases. 7th, ensure environmental sustainability. And 8th, develop a global partnership for development. So these were the 8 goals. So the first goal was to eradicate poverty and hunger. So this was the first goal, और इसके अंदर target क्या है? To halve the proportion of people who have income less than $1.25 a day. Indicator क्या है इसके अंदर? Proportion of population below this $1.25 per day, poverty gap ratio, and the poorest quintile of the national consumption. So these were the target and the indicators under this goal. The second goal was to provide primary education to everyone. So इसका target था that by 2015 children everywhere, boys and girls, will be able to complete a full course of primary education. The indicator was net enrollment ratio in the primary education. How many people are enrolled out of the total? Proportion of people starting grade 1 who reach grade 5, and literacy rate of 15 to 24 years. What is literacy rate? How many of you know literacy rate क्या होती है? हम literate किसको बोलते हैं? Anyone who can read, write and understand in any language is a literate. Then the third goal was to promote gender equality and empower women. The target for this goal was to eliminate gender disparity in primary and secondary education, preferably by 2005 and in all levels of education no later than 2015. Then indicator was ratio of girls to boys in primary, secondary and tertiary education, ratio of literate women to men, 15 to 24 age group, share of women in wage employment in the non-agriculture sector, and proportion of seats held by women in the national parliament. So these were the indicators that prove the gender equality and empowerment of women. Then vote was to reduce child mortality. The target was to reduce by 2/3 of under 5 child mortality. The indicators were under 5 mortality rate, infant mortality rate, and the proportion of 1-year-old immunized against measles. Under 5 mortality rate और infant mortality rate calculate कैसे करते हैं? Then fifth goal is to improve maternal health, to reduce by 3/4 between 1990 to 2015 the maternal mortality ratio, proportion of births attended by skilled health professionals. इसमें जो टर्म यूज किया दैट इज मेटर्नल मोर्टेलिटी रेशियो. रेशियो के अंदर जब हम मेटर्नल डेथ देखते हैं डिवाइडेड बाय द टोटल नंबर ऑफ लाइव बर्थ देखते हैं. व्हेन वी आर सेइंग मेटर्नल मोर्टेलिटी रेट, अगर रेट है तो डिवाइडेड बाय द नंबर ऑफ विमेन इन द रिप्रोडक्टिव एज ग्रुप. अगर मेटर्नल मोर्टेलिटी रेशियो लिखा हुआ है तो डिवाइडेड बाय द नंबर ऑफ लाइव बर्थ आएगा. देन गोल 6 वाज टू कॉम्बैट HIV and malaria and other diseases. So target was to have a halted by 2015 and begin reverse of spread of HIV and AIDS. HIV का prevalence among the pregnant women in 15 to 24 years age group. Condom use rate of the contraceptive prevalence rate. Condom use at least high risk sex. Percentage of population age 15 to 24 with comprehensive correct knowledge of HIV. Then similar incidence of malaria and other major diseases. The indicators were prevalence and death rates among associated with malaria, proportion of population in malaria risk areas using effective malaria prevention, prevalence and death rate associated with TB and proportion of TB cases detected, and fraud under DOTS. DOTS का full form क्या है? Last row. डॉट्स का फुल फॉर्म क्या है? क्या? DOTS is direct observation treatment short course that is given for TB. Then in short, environmental sustainability. To integrate the principles of sustainable development into country policies and programs and reverse the loss of environmental resources. Indicators are proportion of land area covered by forest, ratio of area protected by to maintain biological diversity. In short, per unit use of GDP, CO2 emissions per capita and consumption of ozone depleting CFCs, and proportion of households using solid fuels. Solid fuels होते हैं. That is, if someone is using cow dung or wood as a source of in households. Then indicators, proportion of population using sustainable access to improve water source, urban and rural, and people having access to improve sanitation, both rural and urban. Then target was to be achieved by a significant improvement in the lives of at least 100 million slum dwellers, slum population as percentage of urban population. Out of the total urban population, how much is the slum population? These are all the indicators. Then the last or the eighth goal was to have a global partnership for development. टारगेट 12 to 17 आर नॉट रेलिवेंट फॉर इंडिया, हमने वो नहीं अचीव किए थे तब भी, और अभी हम मिलेनियम डेवलपमेंट गोल्स से जब सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल्स में आ गए, देन वी हैव extended those millennium development goals to SDGs. Target 18 was to, in cooperation with the private sector, make available to the benefits of new technologies and especially information and communication, telephone lines and cellular subscribers per 100 population, personal computers per 100 population, and internet subscribers per 100 population. Then we had the sustainable development goals. Because we were not able to achieve the millennium development goals by the year 2015, हमने millennium development goals को rename किया sustainable development goals, और इसके अंदर हमने बहुत सारी चीजों, इसके अंदर mainly health related issues है, लेकिन हमने जो sustainable development goals थी उसके अंदर हमने holistic approach बनाया. So it was adopted by United Nations in 2015 as a universal call to action to end poverty, protect the planet, and ensure that by 2030 all people enjoy peace and prosperity. So हमारे पास उसके अंदर कितने टारगेट्स और गोल्स थे? There were 8 goals, but इसके अंदर है 17 goals. And उसमें टारगेट्स कितने थे? There were 18 targets, but we have 169 targets in the Sustainable Development Goals. So there can be a question of difference between the Millennium Development Goals and the SDGs. The 17 SDGs are integrated and they recognize that action in one area would affect the outcomes in another. And the development must balance social, economic, and environmental sustainability. So all the actions that we take, there should be balance between the social, economic, and environmental. Countries are committed to prioritize progress for who are furthest behind, to end poverty, hunger, AIDS, and discrimination against women and girls. So इसके अंदर जो important question आता है, which is the goal that is in the SDGs that is for health. So goal number 3, to ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all ages. So this is a MCQ question that can be asked कि SDGs के अंदर health related goal कौन सा है? Health directly related to health, that is goal 3. So the first MDG is no poverty, second is no hunger. Same MDG में भी था no poverty and hunger, इसके अंदर भी है. Then third is good health, then quality education, fourth gender equality, clean water and sanitation. 7th is renewable energy, 8th is good jobs and economic growth, innovation and infrastructure, reduce inequalities, sustainable cities and communities, responsible consumption, climate action, life below water, life on land, peace and justice, and partnership. तो इसके अंदर ज़्यादातर जो goals हैं, they cover almost all the sections जो हम cover कर सकते हैं. So this is the more holistic one. इसके अंदर हमें एक ज़्यादा मतलब अगर हम हर एरिया पे impact होगा तो all overall health and prosperity increase होगी. So these are the sustainable development goals. और goal number 3 is directly related to health. So under the goal third, there are 9 targets. Target 1, to reduce the global maternal mortality ratio to less than 70 per 1,000 lives. So this is the first target under the goal 3. Second is by 2030 end all preventable deaths of newborns and under 5 children. Then target 3 is end the epidemics of AIDS, tuberculosis, malaria, and neglected tropical diseases, waterborne diseases, and other communicable diseases. This is the expansion of MDG 6. Then target 4 is reduce by 1/3 the premature mortality from non-communicable diseases through prevention and treatment, and promote mental health and well-being. Target 5 is strengthen prevention and treatment of substance abuse, including narcotic drug abuse and harmful use of alcohol. 6 is halve the deaths and injuries through road traffic accidents. Seventh, universal access to sexual and reproductive healthcare services, including family planning, information, education, and integration of the reproductive health into the national strategies and programs. Eighth is universal health coverage, including financial risk protection, access to quality essential care health services, access to safe, effective, quality, and affordable essential medicine. ठीक है, सिमिलर टू हेल्थ फॉर ऑल. तो ये सब टारगेट्स अचीव करने हमें बाय द ईयर 2030 जो हेल्थ रिलेटेड है, जो गोल 3 के अंदर आता है. ठीक है. Then the ninth target is reduce the number of deaths and illnesses from hazardous chemicals and air, water, and soil pollution and contamination. So we are providing, इसके अंदर हमने लिखा था जो यूनिवर्सल हेल्थ कवरेज है दैट इज टू प्रोवाइड फ्री सर्विसेज. तो इसके अंदर तो लिखा हुआ है कि हमें राइट टू हेल्थ बिल को पास कर देना चाहिए उसके अकॉर्डिंगली. बस एवरीवन हैज द एक्सेस टू फ्री ट्रीटमेंट एंड सर्विसेज. करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए? क्यों नहीं करना चाहिए? क्या सीनियर्स कह रहे हैं? Because we are providing already free insurance schemes. ठीक है, insurance schemes है already. We have primary health centers and CHCs who are providing free of cost services. Is there a need for right to health? Because we have free services in the government sector. इसलिए we should not enforce any bill. बाकी what the bill will say actually क्या amendment होता है that is a different point. तो जो third goal था that was directly related to health. बाकी जो goals हैं जो health को impact करेंगे that is poverty. Poverty has an impact on health. Then second is hunger. ठीक है, हम मतलब if the population is not well nourished, there are has a major determinant of health. Then education has impact on the health and reduces health inequalities. Gender equality, barrier to access to services resulting in social exclusion, and women are at a particular disadvantage. So this will also have an impact on health. Then water and sanitation, that has a direct impact because water and sanitation is, अगर water and sanitation proper होगा तो there will be less chances of waterborne and foodborne diseases. Then climate change, we are suffering from climate change. Climate change से temperature increase हो रहा है. There are unsustainable sources of energy which are leading to air pollution. So they also impact the health. Then 8, good jobs and economic growth. When someone has a good source of income and decent working conditions, it determines the physical and mental health of the people and also their families. Then reduce inequalities. If there are socio-economic inequalities, also are strong determinants of health inequalities. Equitable policies that reduce socio-economic inequalities can help reduce health inequalities. So these are the other goals which will help us in achieving a health for all.